So these Alps keycaps right here, they are samples from Signature Plastics for the 1Z Alps mount. This is the profile and the mount that's going to be used for the Alps Throwback keycap set. I'll have the link to the Keycap thread in the description. So I'm just basically going to be comparing these keycaps to some Doubleshot keycaps. Here's some dyesubs up here, Apple IIc keycaps. I believe I have an AEK keycap over here. And then I will compare it to some IBM 5140 keycaps as well. Okay, so let's get to thickness. So I'll check out the Q key right here. Let's see the top thickness. Looks like it's about 0.79 millimeters thick. This is an AEK keycap, so let's check that out. This is about 1.2. These are Zenith dyesub PBT keycaps, so let's check out the top on this one. This is 0.95 millimeters. These are leading edge DC 2014 Doubleshot ABS keycaps. Very thick back. So 1.95 millimeters. Let's check out the Apple IIc keycaps. These are dyesub PBT as well. These are about 1.3 millimeters. Okay, and let's check out the last one. This is an IBM 5140 keycap. These are also dyesub PBT. So let's check out that thickness. 0.95 millimeters. Cool. So these are the thinnest of the bunch, but that does not mean that they're the worst. Alps tend to actually sound better with thinner keycaps in my opinion. So I'm really looking forward to trying some new sets. I won't actually have to keep building the same boards with the same layout over and over again, just with different keycaps. So first things first, we're going to be checking the AEK keycaps. Let's check out the 1Z Alp. Now let's check out the Apple IIc keycaps. This is a Zenith PBT dyesub, so let's try that one. And here is an IBM 5140. Let's try that. And here is a Doubleshot ABS keycap from a leading edge board. So let's try that one now. Let's check out the 1Z mount one more time. And now I just wanted to show you the profile difference, so I'm going to put the escape key on. Check this out. And there's the profile compared to AEK2 keycaps. Actually looks really good. I'm really looking forward to seeing new keycaps like this, especially thin ones. We have a lot of thick dyesub keycaps for Alps, but compatibility is always an issue, and this set is probably going to solve that issue. You'll be able to get keycaps for an HHKB layout Alps board if you want, so you'll actually be able to build in newer cases if you can get plate files and everything. Here's what the profile is for the other rows. Let me scoop that up a little. So you can see that it's a little bit lower in this top row right here. And this top row it's a little bit lower, but it's slightly higher for these lower rows. So we won't know the true quality of these until we actually see what the PBT ones look like, but this is the profile, and this is the thickness. So that's about it. If there's anything else you guys want to know about them, let me know. If there's anything you wanted me to take a look at, just post it in the comments.